buddy. I'm gonna shower you today, buddy. It's a beautiful Friday morning, my amigos. Yes, you can guess it. I'm already struggling with the allergies. I think part of the reason is this mutt right here. This freaking mutt. You. Talking about you, squirrel. Oh yeah, go ahead and stretch as if you have nothing to do with it. I'm gonna run to somewhere and get some coffee real quick. In the pajamas. You see that? If you have positive energy, you will be surrounded. Positive energy comes back to you. For some reason, I just keep getting surrounded by positive energy. And I'm talking about things like Andy Bender. The pilot that I met at the golf course where I play at often. Yesterday, I played with Hector and Jose and JT. But today, I was invited by another very positive person, another person who I like to hang out with, and I've hung out with them a couple of times. We're gonna play a big tournament tomorrow here at this golf course. Some of these guys drive in from Long Beach and Sacramento. Play a practice round today, and these guys are cool dudes.
This is you know, a public golf course. Yeah. Expect, you know.
Happy days, Thursday, Friday, happy days. The weekend comes. To race to you. These days are all. These days are all. These days are all. These days are all.
Michael put one right here. We all thought, oh yeah.
Final?
Yeah, on the final. And he was up by 2 strokes right then. And then he went OB.
Oh my!
Yeah, so he went, and still I think bogeyed it. I don't know how. And then he just wiped us out after that. That day you were driving me, and not many people drive me that consistently, and you were giving me 30 yards all day.
Riverside, yeah, you can bomb it.
Yeah, I know, but I was trying too, and I couldn't catch you. Hawk's ball. That's mine over there. Hawk's a short knocker. What can do?
He's a mailman.
Hey.
20-something year already.
Yeah, he looks like a freaking personal trainer, man. Stuff like we're talking about whatever, and then the music will start, and you just show shots of like the sun, the clouds, stuff moving. You know what I mean? That's B-roll. It's just stock footage of nothing. Me, $50.
Wow. Okay, you 100 for me. Now or later?
Now.
Now. I got 3.
If you don't have money, you have to pay with anus.
Oh my!
Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days.
that's it, and that's all, my amigos. Fantastic day. Are you getting sick of me having fantastic days? You shouldn't be, man. It's all for good. It's all for positive energy. Initially, I lost a lot of money. I think I was down almost like 50 bucks to Hawk. Came back, Captain Clutch. Came back and won a little bit of cash, so offset it a little bit. Regardless, man, it was just a good day. In my cart against your cart, whoever shoots the highest will have to pay for dinner, and I have to pay for dinner. So I think this place is Thai. It's really good food. Hell, it's like they're old recipes from way back when. Just good stuff. Stay tuned in, my amigos. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
My cycle hums, ready to race to you. These days are on. These days are on. These days are on.
Squirrely, if you're listening, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry, Squirrely. I really do want to bring you, but you know, you want to get out of the cart and run around once in a while, and they're just not going to allow that at this tournament tomorrow. Another fantastic day, that's right. Your positive pill of energy. Yeah!